Greetings. We continue today in the appropriate action. We're looking at Jude 3 in particular today. Beloved ones, making all diligence myself to be writing to you all concerning the common salvation, that is, deliverance from danger. I had a necessity to write to you all, exhorting to be contending yourselves for the faith, having been delivered once for all to the sanctified ones. So let's begin by looking at the conflict. Because we are engaged in the conflict, we're told that we must earnestly contend for the faith. Faith here is used as a dative case singular. The word here, faith, indicates the body of truth, and the dative to be related to the verb struggle for. It tells us what we're to struggle for. So the article which appears to belong to the noun faith is separated from it in the Greek text. However, that which intervenes, having been once for all delivered to the sanctified ones, is subordinate to the faith, and modifying it as an adjective would do. We then have to be contending yourselves. It's a middle present infinitive. It's a compound word used only here in the New Testament. However, the root word and other derivations of it are used a total of 17 times, meaning to struggle for, to contend for, to exercise great effort and exertion for something. The word was used of athletic context and the struggle and effort the athletes used in their games. Our word agonize is a transliteration of the root word. The preposition in compound denotes direction. So the word following in the dative denotes the cause on behalf of which one fights. The infinitive is used as the object of the verbal participle to exhort. One example is found in 1 Corinthians chapter 9, verses 24 through 27, where Paul says, "Know ye not that they which run in a race run all, but one receiveth the prize? So run that you may obtain. And every man that striveth, that agonizes for the mastery, is temperate in all things. Now they do it to obtain a corruptible crown, but we an incorruptible." And the idea is incorruptible crown. He says, "I therefore so run, not as uncertainly. So fight I, not as one that beateth the air, but I keep under my body and bring it into subjection, lest that by any means, when I have preached to others, I myself should be a castaway." In all the New Testament, there are about 24 references to Christians' walk, their temporal dedication, being like participating in an athletic context. Paul used it most often, but in addition, it's used by Luke, by Jesus Christ himself, and by Jude. The other word for our word athlete, a transliteration, stresses the public observation of our participation. As it were, athlete is used 7 times in this manner in the New Testament. And Jude here uses one of the most forceful of all the references.